Hello, welcome back to Spotter channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to show top pics on Tinder for Android. And for that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And now let's go to the started. First we go to the Tinder application that you have been to install it before. Tap on the Tinder. And the function to show you about the top pics is just to show you about someone that have the almost the better pics here. And so if you want to show, you can tap on in the upper of the left corner, and let's go to the settings. Okay, slide away until you find about the top pics here, top pics, and please tap on about the settings. Okay, to make you show for the topic is you can tap on beside the show me in the topics. The turning this on will allow you to be shown as a featured topics to other users near you. Okay, tap on until has the pink or the magenta, and it's automatically to show you about the topics, who the topics in your Tinder and beside you. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to show topics on Tinder for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Enjoy for this video. Thank you for the attention and bye.